Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good whatever time of day it may be for you. This is the Layback Gamer, and we return to Ratchet and Clank. Hype for this game, I love it so much. And we are jumping right into the next planet. This was a planet that we acquired the infobot on Kerwan, so in case you were wondering where that is and you jumped into part 3, that is where we got it. We got the coordinates to the logging site on Eudora from Metropolis, which is on planet Kerwan. We just finished Outpost X11 on planet Iridia last episode, and now we will be going here in order to confront the robot lieutenant. Let's go. Now, there's a cutscene coming up, and I will be quiet.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant! Yes, sir. You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely. We are ready to return to base. Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Well, damn, Drek, aren't you just an evil person? I mean, now you're already going to go ahead and destroy a planet that was already going to run into the nearest sun, which would explode into a flaming ball of gas, as you quote. This is unnecessary. Now you're just rubbing salt in the wound. How dare you, Drek? Of course, I already knew this was going to happen, so I'm already well familiar with Mr. Drek's ways. New to this world, here, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for the Glove of Doom, an iconic weapon in the series. I think it's made appearances across most of the games. In the second one, I know it was replaced by the mini turrets. Well, actually, I think it was split into both the mini turrets and the synth. You know what? I'm leaving now. Just for that, you have insulted me. I feel so insulted, so upset. I am not going to buy anything from you, sir. Nope. Alright, now, let's head this way. If you were new to this game and you think this is where you have to go through this entire level, well, you might be in for a surprise. I know I was when I went through this level. Out of all the music, in this game, this one I feel is... Oh, nope. This isn't one of my favorite soundtracks. In my opinion, the music of this game gets 10 times better a little later on. Of course, we first gotta make it there before we can actually listen to the awesome music. I previewed one track in my official content update video. And we will be getting to that much, much later in this game. Take that. Oh, that looks like that hurts, sir. Want to take me on? I didn't think so. You'd rather jump onto the ground below and then explode rather than take me on. Now in this game, bolt cranks such as this one work a little differently than most of them. This one, and I think the next one, you have to manually spin the analog stick in a circle, whereas the other ones, you can simply just hold in one direction and it'll turn for you. Get back here. Where'd you go? Gotcha. I missed bolts. I will be back for you. Oh, and there's the gold bolt of this level. I'm not going to get it this time around. I know how to get it. Ooh, I like blowing this guy up. Ah, it feels so good. One tiny blaster shot apparently is enough to blow up that... Do you mind? I'm in the middle of a video here. That's what I thought scared it away. One blaster shot can take out a ship that big. This thing's packs a mean punch. Coming after me, boy? And goodbye. You'd think there's something up here, but no, there's not. Just a couple of stray bolts. Which, of course, we need all the bolts. Look at our bolt count already. We're gonna be well off in this galaxy. We are pretty wealthy, although sadly we don't have enough bolts to afford the most expensive Gadgetron weapon in the game. But we are getting close to it. I don't like you. Goodbye, blue ship. And I'm not gonna take out that tanker. Yes, thank you. Thank you for that. I already knew that, but because I like hearing the voice, and right now, as of this recording, I haven't checked any of the comments section, so I don't know. Well, and again, this went straight from the Iridia video, which went straight from the Kuron video, which came... Wow, you're an idiot. I walked right behind you, killed your friend, didn't even bother to pay attention to it. These guys are really oblivious. Basically, the first 4 episodes were all recorded in a single day, so I don't have any comments or suggestions from anyone. Where did you go? Get back here. How dare you shoot me twice? Well, at least it wasn't 4 times. Otherwise, we die. Oh. More health, always nice. So I wonder when my first death is going to be. And how it's going to be. If we don't die at this planet, let me know in the comments section where you think my first death is going to be. Keep in mind, I am uploading these. Oh boy. Oh dear. I forgot that doesn't put you on straight. Wow, you killed your friend. You're mean. Your friend was trying to help you out, and then you're like, I'm gonna shoot my friend. Because I love doing that stuff. How mean of you. Well, then again, the guy had bomb shooting robot on that other planet killed his friend, so I guess this is a common theme in Drek's troops. Very simple blaster. Ah, and here's another spot. Here's another spot where they give you... That will always be Glove of Doom ammo, even if you don't have it. Such a... Well, by example. More bolts up there, and some health. Back up to 100% health. We are rocking. We might even get... We're going to get to 13,000 in this video. That's awesome. Didn't have to spend a penny of this. Well, a single bolt of this either. Which makes me even happier. Oh. Bad robot. So this level is a little longer than Iridia, just because there's a lot of hopping around, and I am taking a bit more time. Now you can actually make it down there with only the double jump. I, however... Wow, these guys are mean to themselves. They really hate their allies. That is something that I've always noticed, but never really something I thought about. I guess I guess Drek at this point has painted a target on my head, saying, okay, if you can kill him, you get paid more. Very easily dispatching of those and elite lumberjacks, as you can tell by they're bigger, they're badder, they take more damage, and they have a bigger axe. Now here is one of those free weapons I was talking about in the previous video. The Sock Cannon!
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the tower.
Quick, shoot the ship! Oh no, I'm out of range! Oops. Gotcha. Oh, almost ran into that. I have actually died from that before. I got, okay. One more ammunition required. Bang, bang. There we go. Very easy. More money. 14,000. I thought we were going to stop at 13 or even 12,000. No, we're still going. I think I'm going to say it, 15K. And you. I'm shooting down those blue ships every time I see them. Once again, I know there's a gold bolt just around the corner. I did not want to do that. I will not be getting it this video, as I'm going to try to visit each planet for both bolts, skill points, as well as gold bolts. These puzzles are very easy. This is the one area that I could potentially die from. And if I do, then... oops. Oh, I gotta love the graphics of this game. Watch me walk close to this cliff. Look at it. It's changing form. Ratchet being closer to it has altered it somehow. I wonder how that is. That is so amazing. You could really tell that I'm serious about that. This expression is so serious. Of course, you also need the swing shot to get here. And if you need the trespasser in order to get back here. I forgot to mention, if you look behind your ship, you will find this area. Which I know I've overlooked when I first started playing this game. You want to get this when you're going up, and the platform above you or in front of you is lower than you. Okay, that would have been the area that I would have suffered my first death. Fortunately, I did not. I've also died there by not... sorry about that. Double tapping the triangle allows you to switch to the weapon or gadget you previously had. Easy peasy. Alright, time to confront the lieutenant. Alright, here we go, Lieutenant. You're gonna pay.
You sure showed him. I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Clank. We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So-called BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS to do.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some. No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark. You're absolutely right. I am. Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell where Chairman Drek is? I suppose. Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is. I am unsure about your logic. You think too much. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Clank, you truly do think too much. And to those of you who are thinking maybe he was going to go into a boss battle, no, we are not. That is not for now. That lieutenant was too cowardly, decided to run as soon as he saw Ratchet with his wrench at the ready. And yeah, so that completes this level, which means I am going to be signing off. Thank you everyone for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed. Don't forget to share this video to anyone. Actually, any video in my series. Really share my name to anybody out there who you think will enjoy my content. Can be Ratchet and Clank, or can be Elder Scrolls Legend, or in the future it can be any other games that I have played. Once again, thank you everybody for watching, and until next time guys, take it easy.